Oh, we've got a class act right here, folks. 1968 Rally Sport Super Sport Camaro. Look at the stunning color combination. A beautiful, rich custom interior. And that is a GM Crate LS3 under the hood, along with a GM Crate Tremec 6-speed manual transmission. It's got all the goodies. We'll tell you about it here in a few minutes. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find the price tag on this one and about 200 other classic cars that are all for sale. And each one will have a monthly finance payment as well to maybe make it a little more enticing for you. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. All right. It has the Rally Sport front end, so the hideaway headlights, they do work. We'll demonstrate those later. All nice, clean, straight. The hood fits square. I don't see any waves or bumps or issues. Looking down the side of the car, it's all straight. It all fits real nicely. Gaps are spot on. Smooth, no vinyl top. All nice, smooth, no issues. Love the custom door handles. Shuts real nice. All clean, smooth, straight. I don't see any issues. I don't see any shrinkage, bubbling, bumps, cracking. All this is real nice. There's a front and rear spoiler. The body's excellent. I don't see any issue with the body. Things fit nicely. Shuts real nicely. No dents, no dings. It's a ruby red metallic. Maybe you can tell or not, but it's all metal flake, and it's laid out completely evenly. And has a clear coat that's just polished like glass. Beautiful color. Did you even notice the nose stripe? It's another shade of red metallic, a little bit darker. Oh, looks like an eyelash lane here. Just tiny little scratch right up here, a little tiny one. I didn't really see any other flaws in the paint. I might have missed something. The bumper is new. The ice cube trays are painted black. The trim around the windshield's all black, new windshield. Actually, it's new glass. Yeah, it's a smoked glass, not the peel on tint. It's actually all new smoked glass. This trim's blacked out. Again, custom door handles, shiny rain gutters, new mirrors, new antenna. Has the billet 17-inch and 18-inch rally wheels. They're even wider in the back. Extreme contact performance tires. All new glass. LED taillights. Blacked out taillight bezels. The SS cap. Good looking car. Wait till you see the interior. We'll open it up for you now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. Be notified when the next video is posted. Isn't that paint beautiful? And it's painted real nicely under the trunk lid. I mean, look at it. It's like a mirror reflection. The jamb is painted slick. The weather strip is new. So underneath here, he has some sound deadener on the trunk floor, and then it has this nice cut with bound edges, red carpet mat. Visit volocars.com. You'll find all sorts of information on all of our cars and financing and shipping and how to contact us. So door jambs were painted as well. Weather strips were replaced. Now get a load of this TMI custom interior. Very rich looking. The colors, the finishes, nice polished handles, molded door panels. Beautiful custom gauges. Let me see if I can light them up here. They have 550 miles since it's been done. Check out the custom dash pad. Vintage air controls, so they're electric, so they slide real easily. Retro stereo. Matching gauges right here. All this is real nice. Interior lights work. All this paperwork comes with it. There's 2 pouches here filled with the documentation. It's on a dyno sheet. New console with the 6-speed shifter. It has original set of Camaro seat belts. Very nice seats. These look like they could be right out of a Lexus or Mercedes. They're genuine leather. It has the Camaro pattern that it would have had, just a modern version of it. And it is genuine leather. Same thing on the back seats. The rear side panels match the door panels. Got some 6x9 speakers in back. And then they call this a one-piece headliner. Even though the sail panels are separate, they're technically three-piece, but it's a one-piece headliner. There's no seams. It's like fiberglass with upholstery. New visors and mirror. I did notice there's a little microphone, so it must be a hands-free stereo. You can talk on your phone, Bluetooth. Look at the beautiful steering wheel. It is on a tilt column. And the interior is also wrapped or lined with sound deadener before they upholstered it. Yeah, I like the interior. I was just going to say it's my favorite part, and I thought, no, I like the color. Well, I like the motor. It has a lot of favorite parts. So again, this is not a rebuilt motor. It's not out of a junkyard. This is a new, from GM, LS3 motor. Dyno tuned at like 450 something horsepower at the back wheel, so it's a lot more at the motor. This is a new motor. The covers on top he bought, they rub a little bit. These are removable, but it's a carbon fiber cover in the middle and then painted to match valve covers. All aluminum engine. Has some nice coated Hustler headers, they're called. Of course, the firewall is all custom. Look at these hinges. I love these billet hinges. They look great and they function so well. This is an overflow for the radiator. Nice Optima battery. Then it has a complete front runner system. It's a CV something, I forget. All the information's on our website, but it's a complete front runner, all matching billet pulleys, serpentine belt, mini compressor, the modern alternator, modern power steering is hiding down there. Then you have this nice air intake. You got an aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Up front, nice filler panel, LS3 emblem. Power brakes, hydraulic clutch, Newport wiper system that's all modern wipers. And it has the hood insulation under the hood. Well, Michael's going to show you what she's got. I'll see you in a couple minutes.
Alright everybody, beautiful day here, time to go for a cruise. Today's the 1968 Chevy Camaro RS SS. This thing is totally sweet, I'm really excited. Got the crate LS2 in there and rated about 525 horsepower. Has 6-speed manual trans here. Awesome car, should drive really nicely. See, handling the bumps nice. Everything's feeling good and tight over here. Steering, nice steering wheel to get it real thick, give you a good grip there. Of course, you got the Dakota digital gauges there. Well, I'm not sure if they're Dakotas, but they're definitely digital gauges, as well as the matching blue gauges down here. Power steering, power brakes, that's 4-wheel disc brakes. This thing stops on a dime. And yeah, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to speed, absolutely no problem. Just gonna kick it down into fourth here, cruise a little bit. Everything's, you know what? We'll go over to 6 just to see what the cruise is at. 60 miles an hour. It looks like we're coming in at about 1700 RPMs. Awesome build here. Super smooth all the way around. I'm really liking all the kind of modern amenities inside here. That is a digital radio, even though it looks like a vintage one. The seats on this thing are just awesome. They really hug you well here in the thighs and in the back. Super comfortable. Just over 500 miles on this build, and yeah, it feels great. Really liking this one. Can't beat the turnkey reliability of that LS2 there, the Crate LS2. So if you want to come and drive it for yourself, by all means, you're more than welcome to. Contact one of our consultants and let them know you're coming in. They'll arrange that for you. We're about an hour drive outside of Chicago and about a 30-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport if you need to fly in. I would definitely recommend the test drive because it's a heck of a lot of fun. Great car here. You're absolutely going to love it. Check it out in detail at volocars.com.
So it was a body off frame restoration. Matter of fact, the subframe was powder coated. All the components were removed from under the car. All solid metal, was sprayed with a black chip guard paint, so it's nice and durable, looks nice and neat. All of the front end steering and suspension completely rebuilt, ball joints, springs, bushings, you name it. Rear suspensions all new, the springs, shocks. Custom dual exhaust, stainless steel, has resonators, crossover pipe. It has a nice sound without being obnoxious. Disc brakes at all four wheels are drilled and slotted in the front. New fuel tank. Pretty much all the components have been replaced underneath the car. When you look up at the motor, it's a new motor. It's all aluminum. It comes with a high torque starter. And then, like I said earlier, has the Tremec 6-speed transmission, also brand new, not a rebuilt, but a new one, hydraulic clutch. In back, it has a posi rear end. So yeah, just a fantastic car, real cool guy, bought it down in Florida. He's sent me things, he's sent me a couple of gifts after I bought the car. Nice guy, he built it. As a project, and only 550 miles on it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.